Hi, Mark. Here it is Wednesday, February the 26th, 8 a.m. Eastern. That's 1 p.m. GMT. A lot to cover today. 2 points I just want to mention before we start our analysis. There is no real data today. So I think today is all about sentiment and technical analysis. We have to look for our levels and use our technical indicators. And yesterday, when I did end of day report, unusual that all five instruments, US dollar index, S&P, gold, oil, Bitcoin, all red candlesticks, all sold off strongly. Just bear in mind, as CFD traders, whether it's a strong red candlestick, a strong move lower, or a strong move higher on any of these instruments, as CFD traders, we can make the same money, the same profit, the same potential, whether we are buying or selling. We're making money on the difference between where we get in and where we get out, not to be wary of selling as opposed to buying. Same potential in either direction. Just thought that was worth mentioning. Let's start on the US dollar index. US dollar index, as you can see, I've kept in this fib retracement tool measuring the preceding uptrend. There is the move lower, and the first test on the move lower, which is the first fib retracement level at 38.2%, which sits at 106.12. And that is exactly where this reversal has been held up, and buyers have stepped in. I think that's relevant. So that is an important level, just above the 106 level. Buyers for today have recouped some of the losses from yesterday, sitting at 106.43. Now that the US session is underway, let's see if that will continue. We have intraday resistance at 106.72, and we have support at 106.04. Let's have a look at how S&P is positioned, bearing in mind that Wall Street opens up in an hour and a half. Real strong sell-off we've had on the S&P. Little gap up to start today, small green candlestick. We'll see how that develops once the markets open up, and that's in an hour and a half. Another red candle, another sell-off, and even coming down and breaking below this support at 5,925 could well start off, be the start of real panic in the markets. And once panic really sets in, well, that becomes a whole nother ball game. And panic selling, as opposed to just a reversal, a retracement, profit taking. I think that if this level is broken, it could go a lot lower on the downside once panic, if that panic selling really sets in. For now, buyers will be looking to regain that 6,000 level, get above 6,000, and test yesterday's resistance at 6,017. Sellers, of course, will be looking to come down and retest the support here at 5,925, the support which was established yesterday. Let's have a look at gold. Gold continuing the sell-off, the strong sell-off we saw yesterday, which took out all these previous higher lows. So it is a real turnaround in gold. Gold went as low yesterday as 2,888. Significant today that buyers did step in earlier, got as high as 2,930, that's the intraday resistance, but weren't able to take it higher, which has been the pattern over the last few days. And to start the US session and going into the US session, a continuation of this sell-off. Buyers will be looking to maintain above this 2,900 level. 2,900 certainly pivotal for now, and sellers looking to come below the 2,900 level. Let's have a look at Brent oil, which has been sold off really strongly. Big sell-off yesterday, all the way down to 72 $72.19. Continuing that sell-off today, we can see that sellers will be looking to test this support at 72.19, come even lower than 72, maybe even start eyeing the $70 level. Buyers will want to, at a minimum, test and break above the intraday resistance at 72.88 and look to take back the $73 level on the upside. Bitcoin, very significant day for Bitcoin. Two strong sell-off days from 96,500 at the open yesterday. 2 days ago, and yesterday setting support at 85,500. That's a $10,000 sell-off in 2 days, which is significant. But once again, I do have in my fib retracement tool my 38.2%, the first fib retracement level, I believe the most significant fib retracement level, and that is at 86,000. And if you have a look, if I zoom out, that is the level that was tested yesterday. So I think significant that it held up, and certainly a level to watch for. If it breaks below that, could well lead to further downside. Alternatively, if it does get to test it again today, that could be a level for buyers to look for a bounce back up. But for now, sitting at 87,700, intraday resistance at 89,300, buyers at a minimum looking to at least break above 90,000 if buyers are going to reverse this strong sell-off, and sellers looking to, as I say, come below the 86,000 and test that first fib retracement level on the downside. Lots to look forward to today. Let's keep that discipline, and I will see you at the end of the day. Good trading.